Hey folks, hello there today. Here we are broadcasting from the Laurel Highlands, Chickaree Summit area. Our first major snow event for 2017-2018 winter season here. Anyway, we picked up anywhere from I measured 12 inches, and I also measured 10 inches, but in my yard here, even on the snow gauge, it's showing around 10 inches. But as you can see, it's hard to see because all you see is white ground, but trust me, there's anywhere from 10 to 12 inches here. I was kind of thinking there might be some snow devils out, but there's no wind. It's really calm. Temperatures in the teens right now. Now, I was telling Jesse there a little bit ago, my neighbor over here, I measured 12 inches, okay? But if you can look, I have let me step out here and show you. Not that it makes any sense to me, but I can't imagine why, just, 100 yards away, I have 12 inches, okay? Now here, the gas line's up there, okay? There used to be all trees here at one time, and the gas company cut all the trees down. And now, like right behind my house, I still have trees, and there's also a knoll here, okay? And I'm just wondering if the trees, to some degree, aren't hampering snow amounts, okay? Because you got this opening here now. We thought maybe there was some drifting, but there's no drifting, there's no winds, okay? But anyway, here I have 10 inches in my backyard. Up there, I got 12 inches. Over there, I've got 12 inches. So, I don't know. Maybe I was just on the edge of a cloud, Okay, yeah, I'm back with you here. Anyway, as I was saying, this is the new camera that I got. And ironically, they had it on, about a month ago, it was on sale, $100 off. It was normally like around $450 for the Canon. It's a vixia. They had it like down to like $200, and then Black Friday prices, I got it for $125. So, and it's really nice. It does not have an onboard memory, which is okay, because I had a vixia before that Canon had sent to us, and the onboard memory, if something happens to the camera, like the power supply will burn out, which it did in my case, then you cannot recover. There's no way to recover your data from your hard drive. You're pretty much up a creek, But the new vixia here, real simple. It has an onboard, I just put a chip here, a memory card, okay? Micro mini processor card. So if something happens to the camera, we can easily take the chip out. Or the card, I keep saying chip, it's a card, okay? But I'm testing out the camera today to see how it works. Also recording and categorizing the snow event. All right, you can see I already did some plowing here on the road a little bit. Everything's still, I guess I gotta clear the snow off the truck and the car here, but it's absolutely nice out there. It's nice out now. It's cold, but there's no wind, okay? So that makes it okay. Not okay, but you know what I'm saying. Anyway, yeah, you can see the pine trees all covered in snow. Kind of big, isn't it? Now I'm going to test out my zoom here. I haven't used it yet, so I'm going to test out the zoom feature. Nice, quick. Nice focus. Okay.